guys, ang topic for today is about my collection of sandals, different sandals stuck in the basement. Okay, let me start now, one by one. Okay, we start here. This is my Crocs from Sport Check. This is maybe these Crocs 4 years to 5 years or 6 years stock or 7 years. I don't know. See, no plastic in the sport check. It was not allowed this plastic in the sport check. Only box, or you can handling without box. It's up to you if you buy a new shoes or sandals. Crocs stock 7 years to 6 years stock. See, made in Mexico. Crocs. See, Mexico Crocs. This is one of my favorite sandals because I have 7 sandals in the house. Different sandals like this, Crocs. I used this before. My other sandals in KFC when I was working in cooking as a cook in KFC here in Canada. Okay. Until now, brand new. Okay. Some collector. I stuck my money in the basement. Stuck my collection item. The second is I buy this in March. Okay. In the plastic to avoid that. Still brand new. How many years here? Okay. With tag. Brand in Canada. Denver is shiny, new. Denver is shiny, glossy. See? Like Birkenstock. Shiny, glossy, very light. Nice for outside, casual. Going to downtown, going to somewhere after work. Sandals in the house. It's okay, or driving. Nice. Why you buy expensive branded here in Canada? Denver is a brand. Still brand new, shiny. And the next one, that was in the Marks. See, one of the famous in Canada for sportswear or safety PPE. You can buy here. Okay. Another sandals with the receipt, legit brand new with tag, proof of receipt. See? Denver is Ace. Shiny, glossy. Wow. With sticker, with size 12. Timber Ace. See? Still brand. Even you see in the light. Still brand new. So I'm proud. I'm proud to be a collector. This is a reward for perseverance at work. I proved to working hard, so I buy this even after I buy it, only I stock in the basement. The fourth one. This is used, not branded also. I clean only just to save this. See? Because I have lots of different sandals. Approximately I use now big 3, 6 or 7 sandals only in the house. Okay, including this, but I never use this because a lot of sandals mess in the house only if I use this. Okay, almost will only this area, but I have no plan to sell it. Just keep it and use it. Okay? This is peep sandal stuck in the basement. Simple, basic, common sandals, cheap but brand new, with wire tag. See? See? Evidence this is brand new until now. Maybe 5 years. See? 6 sandals. All plastic. All plastic. Sport check. Now you can get this. Even this is a collection, but I'm using in Trascan. Since prohibited this plastic in Canada, they're not allowed to use this. Only paper or recycling bag. This is the six collection of sandals, brand new. I'm sorry, it is big. 3, 4, yes, it's big. It's still brand new. See, with the sticker, with tag, QR tag. See, size 10. Sticker, still brand new. See, shiny. Nice. See, cheap but slight. It's good. Casual short pants. Going to church, going to supermarket or driving. No problem. Heavy duty. See? one of the branded, famous branded as of now. Only stock maybe 7 or 6 years stock only. Sport check also. Because before every Saturday, I'm addicted to buy my own rewards to myself. Not only eating in the good restaurant, nice food, I also need a remembrance or 1 or 2 remembrance after take my salary. So this is it, my hobbies. Become a collector. So this is the seven sandals stock only. See, this dusty. It's too much dusty. The Under Armour sandals. Under Armour. 7 to 6 years stock. So my money is stuck only here in the plastic. Under Armour. Okay. I like 13 or 12 because I want my fingers in the foot. It's moving like this. See? See? It's totally brand new. My goodness. Even instead my money in the bank, I stuck in the basement. See? Still brand new. Okay. That's why I'm become a collector. Every Sunday I buy one of my needs until become a collection and then become a collector until now. Okay? Since when I was started blogging to sharing my experience and other habits in life. Okay? So I opened the wallet. So this is stock 8 to 7 years. Okay? Coming from the sport kit. Okay guys, if you like this video, just click the button and subscribe and then click the notification code and after that important subscribe for the new videos to come. Okay, thank you guys. That's it. Bye. See you again.